Yeah, find the value of x for which this determinant is equal to this. They have given equation. So this determinant is equal to this. So these symbols are there, no? This and this indicates it is determinant. Even here also, this. Two lines indicates this is another determinant. Okay, so we have to find the value of this x. Okay, so first answer row. Okay, first whatever they have given, write this here again. So I am right 3x x1 is equal to 3241. Okay, see here some people may think since here equal sign is there and this is first element is 3, here first element also 3, because of is equal to 3 is equal to 3. Similarly here this is fourth element, this is second, this is third, this is fourth element. So here also 1 2 3 4, this is fourth element. So fourth elements are equal, both are ones because of this equal sign. So same way here x is there, second element, here 2 is there. So x is equal to 2. Some people may think that is not right, that is wrong. Some people may think here x is there, third element, here also third element 4 is there. Again some people may confuse and they may think x is equal to 4. Some people may think x is equal to 3, sorry, x is equal to this 2 because this is also second element, this is also second element. And some people may think x is equal to this 4. Some people may think x is equal to 2 or 4. They may think they write answer like that. But actually that is not correct. Why? Because this and this are not matrices. Matrices means how they will be. Per matrix we will write like this, right? Square brackets. If square brackets are there, then it is a matrix. If this and this are matrix, then x is equal to 2, that is okay. But these are not matrices. See, there is no square bracket, vertical lines are there. So these are determinants. So in case of determinants, so corresponding elements are not equal. Always not equal. Sometimes may equal. So since these are the determinant, they are not matrices like this. So x is not equal to 2. This is wrong. So in case of matrices, yeah, x is equal to 2. But these are not matrices. These are determinant. Now, so what is the process? How to find x? Yeah, I will tell now. The first what you have to do, you have to find determinant of this and determinant of this. See, this is 2 cross 2 determinant, right? 2 cross 2 determinant means what? See, 2 rows, 2 columns. This is one row, this is second row. So 2 rows, I will put cross mark. So this is one column, this is second column, 2 columns. 2 columns means 2, I will write it. So 2 rows, 2 column. That's why I am saying this is 2 cross 2 determinant. Similarly, here also 2 rows are there, 2 columns is there. So this is also 2 cross 2 determinant. Okay. Now how we have to find the determinant? How to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix? Okay, that's a point. So finding determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix is very simple. Finding determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix, it is somewhat lengthy, but it is very simple. How? Since it is 2 cross 2 determinant, to find the determinant, first multiply these two. Okay, 3 into 1. 3 into 1 what? 3. 3. After that you have to put minus, then multiply these two. X into x what? X into x, x square. So I will write x square. Next, this equal sign I will put it here. Similarly, this is also 2 cross 2 determinant. So find the determinant like this. I mean, first multiply these two. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Then put minus. This minus is fixed. Next, multiply these two. 4 into 2. 4 twos are 8. Okay. So determinant of this is this. 3 minus x square. Determinant of this is this. Now simple, you have to find the value of x using this equation. Okay. Before that, write this as it is. 3 minus x square equal 3 minus 8 is what? Okay. 3 minus 8 is minus 5, because 8 minus 3 is 5. The sign before the bigger number, 8 is bigger number, the sign before the bigger number is minus. This minus I will put it here. Okay, na? Now what I will do, we want x value, right? So keep this x square term including minus on one side, move this 3 to this side. Okay. So in the next step, first write this minus x square is equal to minus 5. Okay. Now this 3 is moved to this side. Here nothing is there means plus is there. When plus 3 is moved to this side, I mean after the equal sign, this plus 3 becomes minus 3 like this. Okay. Next step I will write it here. Now minus x square is equal to this, I will write as it is. Minus x square is equal to, next here see, here also minus is there, here also minus is there. Okay. See, minus into minus is equal to what? Plus. Okay. So when you multiply these signs minus and minus, so minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus means what? Addition. We have to add the numbers. That means add this 5 and 3. What you will get? 5. When you add 5 and 3, you will get 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. That 8 you write here. Okay, next. Here what sign we have to put, whether minus or plus. For that, consider the bigger number. Which is bigger number? 5 or 3? This 5, right? So 5 is the bigger number. The sign in front of this bigger number is minus. Okay. So this minus sign you have to put here. Okay. Now see, here equal sign is there. Before this equal sign, here also minus. After this equal sign, here also minus. So you can just cancel it. So what is left? X square is equal to this 8. Okay. So next, x square is equal to, I will write as it is. So this 8 can be written as 4 into 2, right? 4 into 2. Because 4 2s are 8 you will get. So next step for x square is equal to, see this 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, because 2 square is equal to, 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So this 4 can be written as 2 square. Next into 2. Into 2. Now, so next we want only x. We don't want this square. This square. So you take square root on both sides. Like this. Okay. This square and square root cancels out. X is equal to this x. This and this cancels out. What is left? X. X is equal to. And next here, here into sign is there, multiplication. So we can split this square root for this separately and for this separately. So square root of this 2 square into again square root of this 2. Okay. Now see, this square root cancels out. So what is left? So first write this x is equal to. When this square and square root cancels out, what is left? 2 into 2 root 2. So I will just directly write root 2. This root 2. This 2 into root 2. Here I have not written any multiplication symbol. If you don't write also no problem, it is understood. Your multiplication symbol is there, into is there, like this. If you don't write also no problem. It's like 2 into root 2. 2 root 2, or you can also read as 2 into root 2, both are same. So this is the answer. Okay. I thank you. I hope you understood anything. If you want to say related to my teaching and the concept, you can please mention in the comment. I will follow that comments. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.